What's up, y'all? Carefree Scooter back for another Vespa ET2 update. So the bike looks a little different. I've done a few things off camera because it's been raining off and on here in northern Florida, but I've ended up blocking off the blinker holes, got that bondoed up, gotta do another layer on that, then that'll be done, ready for paint. Got a couple dents I've still got to ding up, but we have parts come in, and today we're going to do the front shock and the new front rotor. We're also going to take off the caliper and paint it red. So, let's get to it. Oh, also a little quick update. You know, I said that the bike looked a little different, so we got the custom marine grade vinyl seat, new front rotor, new front shock. Got a little bit of wiring done. Actually do have the ignition ready and the start button, just waiting on the Bendex for the transmission so I can try and fire it over. Go down here real quick. And underneath the seat, new carburetor. Everything's getting slowly wired up. Got the battery in. Making progress. We will be doing something later with this rim, but at the moment, that's to be determined. And we're going to take out the old shoes, break the caliper down, paint it up. After taping it up, put brand new shoes in. So, alright, get it sanded up, scuffed up, taped off. Gotta clean it one more time, spray down some paint. So, quick update. I actually didn't get to film taking out the shock or putting back in the new shock. What had happened was the screws that hold in the rotor are rusty, and I had to order new screws. And I was trying to slap everything back together because it rains really bad in Florida. This is like 2 days later. So, yeah, but did get it on. Looks good. Ordered new screws for the rotor. New rotor to be on. But wanted to finish up the video, so there it is.